You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the capital city of Portugal. Obviously, if you want to learn more Portuguese or capital cities, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The English pronunciation, if you want to learn how it's pronounced in Portuguese, I also have a video. Stay tuned. In English, it's pronounced Lisbon. Liz, and a Z sound, alright? A Z, not an S, not Lisbon. Lisbon. Stress on that first syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Lisbon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.